This is YFM-109NCA-2 Auto nylon fin welding machine by computer control for the number 5 nylon zipper. Now we are going to test this machine. Okay, we finished the order, and please press the reset button to finish the order. There's the setting. The motor positioning delay time we set up to 18 milliseconds. Okay, this is once the hook attach the gap, the motor needs to run how much time to make sure the hook attach the teeth. The cooling delay time normally we set up the 8 milliseconds. You can adjust this cooling delay time when you see the result. Okay. There's a password, the password 8008, enter. You can see there's a speed setting. The high speed setting is the 3500, the slow speed setting we set up 1500. This one you never change. This one the maximum is 4500. We go back to the main screen. If machine has any problem, the alarm review will show you where's the problem and what time happened. And this is the ultrasonic setting. If you want to change the welding time, you need to press the manual operation, and you need to press the hook pin and ultrasonic check when you adjust the welding time. So this is the ultrasonic control box. You can press the setting, and this is the welding time is 0.4 milliseconds. This is the amplitude. You can increase the amplitude or reduce the amplitude. Okay, and you can press this button
and you can increase the welding time or reduce the welding time. Once you set up, you can press the setting. Every time when you change the horn, you need to press the ultrasonic test, and you must do like this and then use the machine. Okay, so above method is teaching you how to operate this machine, and we finish the machinery testing.